Hi, my name's Stephanie from Recur, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your contacts in bulk. So if you get a large number of people that you would like to add to the system, this is the fastest way to do that. So from your home screen, you're going to go down to contacts and go down to people. From here, you can see we have an import tool. And if you've never used an import tool, we use the term CSV, which stands for comma separated value. That's just a fancy way of saying a spreadsheet that just needs to be formatted in a pretty specific way. So from here, you can go to import new contacts. And then we actually have a download import template. So that is the template and the specific format that the information needs to be in order to come into our system in a smooth way, and everything will go where it needs to go. And realistically, the only things that are required for this import to work is a first name, a last name, and a phone number or an email. So you need one of those three, or you need to have all three of these components in order for that import to work. So when you go and download the template, it's going to look like this. And you can see across the top right here, you have all of those attributes that you have that you're allowed to import into Recur. And then underneath is just an example. So as you can see that you need to have the first name, the last name, and an email address or a phone number. So if those were the only three pieces of information that I'm choosing to bring into my system, I can actually go ahead and remove all of these other columns. However, if there are additional columns that you'd like to add additional information, such as your contact's address or maybe their LinkedIn, go ahead and fill those out. From there, right now, I am in Google Drive, that you just have to make sure that you go and you download it as a CSV, a comma separated value, that once it's in that format, you can go back into our system, choose the file, and then import it. And then all of those contacts and all of that information will be in our system, and you don't have to add them one at a time. Feel free to reach out if you have additional questions or you would like the support in bulk importing.